Hello viewers, welcome back to the LeadsFlex. In this video I am going to show you how you can import your WordPress blog into GoHighLevel. It's a 2 and 3 step process. So let's dive into video and I will show you. So first of all, you need to go to your blog area section, go to site, let's go to the blog section here. Right now I have created 2 blog here. Yeah, you see there is a 2 blog here. So I want to import some LeadsFlex blog. So I just go to here. And here you see it's a usual or normal add new post, and here we have import features. It's a basically once you add to new posts, but I'm going to import blogs, so I just click on it. It will be take here, so I just need to put my blog post. I need to put my complete blog, but before blog I think I need to put my sitemap, or make sure you have sitemap on your blog. It should be too easy to import here. So what is the sitemap? Sitemap is a SEO for purpose we can use. So you can say that sitemap, you can check here sitemap.xml. You can check your sitemap. If you don't have, so you need to create your sitemap in your Google Search Console, and after that you are able to access this one. And here you can put your recent blog URL. For example, my recent blog is this one. So I just copy this URL and I just put here, and you need to select your platform. So I'm going to select WordPress because I'm importing from WordPress. You can select whatever you want to import. You can import from HubSpot, you can import from Wix, Squarespace, whatever you want to import here. It's a super easy, but right in my case I have WordPress, so I just going to select WordPress, and after that you need to just press continue button here. And it will take some time because it's a scanning. So in the meantime I will go back and I will go back from here and I will map my blog sections. I just go to importing and you see it's a scanning, so I need to just wait a few seconds. It's scanning from leadsflex.com. In the meantime, if you need any GoHighLevel services, for example design blog, landing page automations, chat boards, if you want any GoHighLevel related services, you can just go to LeadsFlex and book your free consultation. And in free consultation I will guide you how you can configure and how you can design your all the things in a GoHighLevel. It's a super easy, it's a free of cost. And if you can buy with my affiliate link in a video description and video channel description as well. If you can buy with GoHighLevel with my affiliate link, I will provide you 2 months free of cost support, and also I will guide you how you can design landing page automations and all the stuff. So let's back to the topic. So I just want to show result here. It's not completely loaded, but I'm going to show you. It's asking for map your whole blog sections. So it says you need to select your title, but I'm going to select this one. And it's asking for author, so I'm going to select this one. It's a published date. I'm going to select original one, not original one. It says for feature image, I'm going to select this one. It's a blog post, and you see it's a design. You can change your according to your requirement. Next and previous area, so yes, looks like correct. And you can select your category. Right now we don't have any category here, but if you can create category, it will be select category as well. So after the scan, what we can do, just continue. So it should be in our blog section area. Import is done, then it will be in our blog area, and here we can make it changes, design according to our requirements. Then then we can publish it. Then it will be ready to go for your blog. So yeah, that's it from this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's meet in our next video.